back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make focaccia bread, a popular Italian bread that's great for sandwiches or on its own. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. So let's put on our chef's coats, and let's get baking.
To make the focaccia, you'll need 1.5 cups of warm water, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 packet of instant yeast, 3 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and about 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil for the pan. And for the toppings, you'll need 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 garlic cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of fresh rosemary or 2 sprigs, and 1 teaspoon of salt to sprinkle on top. To get started, pour warm water into a measuring cup and stir in the honey. Add and stir the yeast and let it proof for about 5 minutes or until the surface is foamy. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour and salt. Pour in the yeast mixture and stir with a wooden spoon or your hands until no dry flour remains and a sticky dough forms. Add in the olive oil and mix until the oil is fully absorbed. Spread some olive oil into a separate bowl, place your dough inside, cover with plastic wrap, and let it rest at room temperature for 30 minutes. After the dough has some time to rest, use the stretch and fold method to develop the gluten. To do this, grab one end of the dough and gently bring it over to the other side. Rotate your bowl and repeat the process 3 more times. Cover with plastic wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes at room temperature. Do this stretch and fold method 3 more times, allowing it to rest for 30 minutes each time. After the last stretch and fold, you can transfer it to a baking pan. Pour olive oil into a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. Transfer the dough into the pan and flip it over so it is entirely coated in the oil. Gently stretch the dough to the edges, cover, and let it proof for 45 to 60 minutes until well risen and puffy. While that's proofing, let's make the topping. For this recipe, I will be making a rosemary olive oil topping, but feel free to top your focaccia with anything you like. On a cutting board, remove the coating and finally chop your garlic cloves. Next, pull off the rosemary leaves from the stem and chop them as well. In a measuring cup or a bowl, combine the oil, garlic, rosemary, and salt. Give it a good whisk and set it off to the side. After your bread has had time to proof, it's time to make the iconic dimples focaccia has. Dip your hands into cold water and use your fingertips to poke into the focaccia, going almost through the dough. Go over the dough a couple of times to get a generous amount of dimples. Drizzle your topping evenly over the top of the bread and bake for 22 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. And don't forget to sprinkle the salt like I almost did. Once you take it out of the oven, immediately transfer to a wire rack to cool so the steam doesn't soften the base. Let it rest for about 10 minutes before slicing. And now you're ready to enjoy some savory, delicious focaccia.
And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. Also share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had a great time making the focaccia bread and I hope you did as well. I am so excited to start making some sandwiches. If you recreate this bread or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone's staying safe and well, enjoy your focaccia bread, and have a great day. Bye!